do you feel like it will lead to more genuine connections?
I don't think it makes a difference.
You don't think it make a difference?
No, because
You
niggas
just
always come to the table expecting pussy.
Oh my
It
God.
doesn't matter if they pay or if they don't pay.
You just said
You
that.
was a nigga in your past life, or you speak for us a lot.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Just like you be speaking
you
for
speak
women.
for us a lot. Like, you
Just
know what I'm
like
saying?
you-
Like, I've been trying to listen. Like,
You must have been a woman.
Every time there's a man question, you first say, they don't care about none of that. Like, okay,
This
like, you got
nigga.
3 minutes
Like,
at the table. You got
like
3
he
minutes
ain't
at
been
the
speaking
table.
for all the black women in this part of the United States for this whole fucking time. It's a trip. I can't.
Yo, but you just said, right, that men. All right, so you not giving him no pussy on the first date.
Not if.
Are you
not if
going on a second
if I
date?
pay for myself.
Are you going on a second date with him?
No, probably not.
So how does that lead to a genuine connection then?
God damn.
I said it doesn't matter. I don't think it matters.
So it matters because
I don't
It does,
think
yeah.
anybody
Based on-
goes
based
on
on-
a date with somebody with no expectations whatsoever.
But based on if he pays for the date or not, that determines whether he's getting a second date. So that means you
For
could.
me, yeah.
Yeah. So that means you could have lost a genuine connection based on how you feel about first dates.
That's not what I want. Yeah. Oh well. I lost it. You
Like,
lost
if
one.
you on
Like,
nickel and dime from the first date, do you even like
What is it?
me?
But why is that
But-
nickel and diamond? You ain't even paid for
What?
the other dates. Do you even like me?
this the
You
first
said the
one.
first
How we
one.
get to the other ones?
But the other dates, you said y'all wasn't willing. Well, you said that you shouldn't pay, right?
You shouldn't pay for
even
the
mean-
first one.
For the first,
First
okay,
one.
that doesn't matter if it's the first one or the second one. If
I
it's-
don't.
No,
I don't
it
think.
matters
That,
for
I
me.
don't think that devalues the person if they want to go
Of course
that.
not. You're the man. You don't think that it devalues you, but
So why does it
So-
devalue a woman to go Dutch
So
on the
all
first
right,
date?
and really quick. So if I do pay for that first meal, is that
it
guaranteed
increases your
pussy?
chances. It increases your chances. It's not guaranteed, but it puts you.
So it's gambling.
if it's
basically.
you and a nigga that didn't pay, you're above the nigga that didn't pay.
But how
I
much?
mean,
You're
but
getting
that-
closer. I don't
and-
know.
and-
Maybe 85%. I don't know.
outrageous.
It's getting close. But it's no way I'm gonna be sitting here like this nigga didn't pay for a date. I'm gonna give him some
All right.
pussy
So do
over
you-
the one that did.
So do you know any women that?
Shit,
went
I
out-
paid for a date, but I was swindling them. I paid for the date, got some pussy, and they paid for my rent.
Nah, that's ridiculous.
That's smart.
Who was that?
That's not like an equivalent change to me.
no,
like,
it
you know
ain't.
what I'm
Who
saying?
was
Like,
it? Because I need to speak to this woman.
No,
Because like
so I have a
you're
very
paying
serious
rent for
question
meals.
to ask. Don't judge me. What kind of dick was you slinging that she was just like, yeah, let me pay this
his
nigga
rent.
rent?
Was she a senior citizen?
This is your Yelp review. Beep.
Yeah, you gotta go to the Yelp.com to see that. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah.
No,
OnlyFans.com
like
to
serious
see that.
questions. Like, what was happening
Phone
then?
a
Like,
friend.
was you sucking her toes? Like, what happened? And she
No.
was just like, yeah,
No
let me
fee.
pay this nigga
Yeah,
rent.
we know what he was doing.
Right.
Shit. Oh, shit.
Not never.
Open them cheeks up. One hand on front
You
of
said shoot that ass up.
Why
Like, you know
you
what I'm
paying
saying?
wedding to
Like-
me?
No.
Haha, David Floyd said, "Shoot that ass up."
That's
No,
what she was doing.
I'm just saying, it
Live
happens.
live your truth, my
Yo,
brother.
I
like,
mean,
you know what I mean?
not never eating ass. That's a fact.
Bro, you got
But
your
I'm just
own
saying,
thing,
like,
bro.
some women like doing that for to keep that nigga happy, or to take that nigga from that woman, other woman.
Can we rewind back to you've never eaten ass
Never eat ass ever.
and you got your rent paid?
Why not?
What
Something-
did you do?
Are you getting
But
these women?
some black
from
women
the-
home and suck dick and get their bills paid.
This is true.
This is true.
You know
This is
what?
true.
You're right.
My homegirl.
So why can't Dick Shorty
First time I
down?
have nose. Like,
Wait, who's your homegirl? So we can stay away from her.
She's married.
Oh, she married. Huh?
Married
What
and
that-
still
what that
ain't
mean?
sucking
And
no
don't
dick.
suck- and don't-
like,
I can only go based on what I'm told because I
Right.
do not.
So she's
personally.
married and not giving head at all.
According to her, she does not.
look at
Nah,
y'all
there's a-
baffled, right?
Nah,
This is how I'm
there's
looking.
She said she just
nah, there's a
starfish.
gorgeous
Listen, let me
woman
tell you
I follow
something.
in Miami. She don't
She's
get
a
that
liar.
at all. But
you married to a black man?
Oof.
He's Honduran.
Yeah, it's black love.
Yeah.
That is
Huh, do you?
that's,
Yeah.
I mean,
it's not
he melanated, but I mean,
Yeah.
Pause. Don't say that.
barely.
What?
Barely. I mean,
said
you can be white.
that's good, bro. Yo, next question. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
You sound like just out here.
Word, like, yeah.
See, I got any questions? No?
Why are you so aggressive towards black women? Are you dating a black woman currently?
Yo, I'm not doing the sign language. Like, I'm not doing the sign
Are you
language.
currently
like,
dating a black woman?
Why are you so aggressive towards men?
I'm not. I'm aggressive towards you. I like you.
I'm a black
and
man.
I like Hakeem.
I'm a black man. You said you ain't liked you earlier.
I said I thought we was gonna be friends, but he's still giving me okay vibes. You
know
coming
what it
in
is?
hot and heavy.
You know that I hold women
don't
accountable. They ain't used to that.
understand.
They ain't
I
used to
don't
that. That's what it
understand.
is. Like, they ain't used to that.
Because I know Jew is not coming from like the depths of his soul with hatred for black women.
Ain't no hatred. Ain't no hatred over
Are
there.
you dating
like,
a black woman?
I am. Are you dating a black man?
Yeah.
Are you dating?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I could. Okay.
But-
Like,
The funny part
You
is
see?
y'all
You
both
see?
pro-black. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, y'all
when the
both
last time you had a
pro-black.
boyfriend? Because you seem very content on being single.
I was engaged. Yeah, it's a fun time.
I could tell.
I was engaged in 2019. That was the last time. And then I just been smutting it out.
Okay. Well, shout out to you.
Jump on the King's Moms for the smut side.
Shout out to you. Like you know what I'm saying. Well,
All right, speaking of smuts, speaking of smuts, no,
Lord.
pun.
Right, because you wasn't about to come for me.
How many bodies